Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for professional exams. First, establish a clear study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time to each subject. This structured approach helps ensure comprehensive coverage. Next, divide complex topics into smaller, digestible parts. This makes the material less overwhelming and easier to retain. Finally, collect all your essential resources, like official guides and practice tests, before you begin. To truly master the material, active engagement is key. Regularly work through practice questions and full-length mock exams to simulate the real test environment. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing topics at increasing intervals. This significantly boosts retention. Furthermore, try explaining difficult concepts to a friend or even to yourself. This process reveals areas where your understanding might be less than 100%. Maintaining your well-being is crucial for peak performance. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours each night, to allow your brain to consolidate information. Integrate regular physical activity into your routine. Even a 30-minute walk can significantly reduce stress levels. Remember to take short, frequent breaks during your study sessions. This prevents burnout and helps you return to your material with renewed focus and energy. On exam day, a light review of key concepts is beneficial, but avoid intense cramming. Trust in your preparation. Arrive at the testing center well in advance, ensuring you have all necessary identification and materials ready. This minimizes stress and allows you to focus. And speaking of preparation, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Good luck on your exam, and remember, consistent effort leads to lasting success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.